Hello everyone, thanks for joining me again today for another session of Me Programming Daily. Yesterday, or during the last session, depending on when you watched it, I finally resolved this problem with loopback connections that were overlapping. So let me just put on some music first. That should be good. And now, here is the diagram that we produced yesterday. So the loopback connections are not overlapping anymore, but we still face a problem of if we wanted to add another skewer to all this, the skewer icons probably would overlap with connections. So let's just bubble sort. Let's just open this locally and let's try to recreate this now. So I hope you have your drink of choice ready. I still have my coffee here. And let's start coding. Today, the session is probably going to be very short, as I'm just short on time, but still wanted to record. But I'm still hoping we'll get somewhere. So this is the bubble sort input. I don't think we should worry about so many connections, but maybe we should. No, I don't think we should. So let's delete some of them. And let's start getting the input ready to formulate a second skewer. Oh, this will probably take a moment. So what I want to do is have a question like this. Maybe ID is not necessary. Where this is the left-hand side branch. And the right-hand side branch is going to be just an action. 67 hints, lovely. So what I'm thinking will happen is that the action icon will start overlapping the connections. Because the distance from the left-hand side of the fork to the right-hand side of the fork is always fixed. Let's see how it looks like now. It doesn't look so bad. That is very good, but it is all just an illusion, because if we bump this up to, say, 0.9, making the gaps between loopback connections larger, the loopback connections and the action will probably overlap. Not yet, but you see where this is headed. So let's go 1.9. So probably during today's session, we should come up with a solution that bumps up the width of the left-hand side skewer based on the amount of space that all the loopback connections take. Yeah, see, they overlap. So let me just save this. Maybe not. No need. So we should go back to render. Render fork. Here it is. Okay, so we have our origin, which is calculated here, and that's good. Where is this used? Okay, so we can shift this down a little bit. We're going to take the y coordinate alone, but the x coordinate will have to change. Oh, this is very interesting. Because our origin will have to change. I'll take a note of this. So technically we have loopback connections that we can just rely on for this. What is this? What is this? What is a chain? This is something probably I forgot to remove. Address depth. To do. But that's okay. Okay. I wonder. Do we really need to do that? Let's experiment. I have a deep suspicion that it will just work. Yeah. No. Oh, I see. Okay, let's leave it for now. I don't want to get in trouble. But I think I know what needs to be done. I have in my note anyway. Let's just do a quick experiment. Oh, this is a bigger issue. Okay, this is probably a good time to stop for today and start seriously thinking about how those icons are positioned. It feels like we're up for another bigger refactoring very soon. But that's good news. It means that the product is evolving, and I'm very happy to see that. So if you expected magnificent resolutions today of complex problems, this is not the episode. I hope it will happen soon. But for now, let me think about it some more, and I'll get back to it. Thanks very much. Have a great day, and see you next time.